So today in this video we will be talking about change of state. So in the previous video we spoke about anomalous behavior of expansion of water. So those who wanted to see the video, the link is given in the description below. You can just use that link. Now change of state. All matter exists normally in three states: solids, liquids and gases. Matter can be changed from one state to another either by heating or cooling. So all these examples okay, we will see this in detail in using graph. Latent heat capacity. While boiling a pot of water, the temperature of water increases until it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of water. Then the temperature remains constant until all the water changes from liquid to gas. During this process, heat is continuously added to the water, but the temperature of water does not increase above this boiling point. This is the concept of latent heat capacity. Latent heat capacity is defined as the amount of heat energy required to change the state of unit mass of a material. First of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of the word latent. The meaning of the word latent is what? Hidden. Okay, latent means hidden. So latent heat means what? Hidden heat. See, just observe this graph. There is a x-axis which is heat energy and the y-axis is temperature. Now we are giving heat energy. Now what happens? Now the solid, first it is at the solid state. We continuously apply heat. Now before melting it into liquid, it will continue to remain in the same temperature. Okay, before melting it into liquid, okay, this will remain at the same temperature for some time. Say for example, this is 5 minutes, this is 10 minutes, this is 15 minutes, this is 20 minutes, this is 25 minutes. Okay, now for example, we increase the heat for 5 minutes. What happens? Instead of melting immediately, what for the 5 minutes, the ice will continue to take the heat. Okay, take the heat. So and it will not show any reaction. So that heat which is given is called as a hidden heat. So that heat will be hidden inside the ice. It will keep on going inside the ice. But at the same temperature, the solid will be at the same temperature. That is why it is given in the graph as the same temperature. Say for example, this is at 100 degrees Celsius. Say for example, this is 100 degrees Celsius. Say this is 150 degrees Celsius. Say this is 200 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, so once it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it will remain in the same state. Instead of increasing the temperature, it will remain in the same state. It will absorb all the heat for the next 5 minutes. And then what happens? Okay, suddenly it will become liquid. It reaches the liquid state. After reaching the liquid state, again it will the temperature will increase. Okay, then again before becoming a vapor, again it will extract lot of heat. Okay, it will absorb lot of heat for some time. Then again it will become into gaseous state. Now this latent heat capacity is different. The amount of heat energy required to change the state of a unit mass. Say for example 1 kg or 1 liter, whatever it is, unit mass of a material. Okay, the latent heat of a solid liquid state is called latent heat of fusion. Okay, the latent heat of liquid gas state is called the latent heat of vaporization. When it is changes from solid to liquid, we call it as a fusion. Okay, when it changes from liquid to gas, we call it as vaporization. When the change takes place from solid to gas, we call it as a sublimation. Remember this keywords. Now in this video we have seen latent heat capacity. I hope you must have understood this. Those who have some doubts or clarifications, you can just write it in the comment section. I will be happy to clarify it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.